The trading note is for all the people. If this word is for you, please pursue and don't fall in the process because the reward is so big.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another TFT interview. Today I have the pleasure to host Frank, who comes from Colombia. Welcome, Frank.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. How are you?
Fine, thank you. I'm fine.
Can you start with introducing yourself? Like tell us a little bit about yourself and what got you into trading, how you started with trading.
Yeah, I began to make trading 10 years ago.
Wow, so long time.
Yeah, it was difficult time to begin. It was hard time losing all money, be scammed. So difficult, but fortunately, is the thing of the past. Now is good time for.
It's good that things are good now. Everyone is going through hard time at the beginning. How did you get to know about trading? Was it a friend who told you about trading or how did you find it?
My profession was industrial designer. Search the alternative to make profitable, uh, make better incomings without working a lot. I found the trading is the best option to do that. It was my discovering. I take several short courses and a lot of information in internet. I take this and I suffer the losses, but I make profitable, fortunately.
Amazing. So can you tell us a little bit about the learning curve? Did you learn everything by yourself or did you have mentors on the way? How was the learning process?
I begin only by myself. I begin in the binary option and passing for actions, forex, for all the market, and lose all the money all the time. I take several courses in internet, short courses. Really, I don't have any mentor. I take my own studies and my own experience. It was my method to get results that I have now. It was difficult, but it's okay.
Yeah, I can imagine. What was the hardest part?
In the first time, when you lose a lot of money, it's suffering, hurts a lot. In my situation, wasn't the better. It was difficult time for me. But with passing the time, you accept the losses and make the losses shortest. You make profitable your method, and you have winnings with the time. So it's a good.
How did you find your strategy? Was it like a combination of things that you learned online or was it something that you just found on internet and you started following and you liked it?
I take practice with several strategies that I take in the internet. I don't find comfortable with that because I don't understand correctly the strategies. So I continue to lose the money, but with the time and your experience, you take the strategy better and get the better understanding or action, the strategy with all the experience. Do you have a good process with good strategy? And I get the discipline to get that correctly at the time with all the times. With all the knowing, I get the correct strategy for make the market. And this is the strategy that I manage today and it's profitable to me, fortunately.
What is the strategy like? Like, do you focus only on price action or you use indicators? How does it look like?
I use some indicators. I use the Lance Bollinger, several media movers, and I use EA also. It's important to me. I use the bot that I have my strategy. I use the most of time this bot And other times when I need, I put off the bot and use for my own.
Did you program the bot or you got help from a programmer?
I have some knowings of programming. I use the knowing of other person to do that.
Do you like manage the risk management of the bot or everything is like preset and you just turn it on?
The most of time I take this operation automatic. I need to take visual all the time, several times a day to make the things running correctly. There are some problem to get off the bot and continue manually.
What type of trader are you? Are you a day trader, swing trader? When you trade manually, what kind of trades do you usually take?
The strategy have the both operation in short time and operation several days, inclusive several weeks.
Do you do top-down analysis, like from higher time frame to lower time frame?
Oh, absolutely. First in 4 hours or one day. Sometimes I take decision with short in 1 hour or 30 minutes or inclusive 5 minutes. The main topic is 4 hours.
Yeah, so you determine the overall direction on a higher time frame and then you try to refine it on lower time frame. How is your psychology towards trading? And what have you done to improve your psychology? Because I know that the psychological factor is a really important one.
At the first time, you lose your mind with that. You have a lot of nervous and you take decisions, bad decisions, irrationally, with nervous, with fear. That is in the past, definitely. You have your method and you have your strategy correctly. You're running only with that. You don't need take decisions with fear or not fear. If there are something with get out strategy, you closed definitely. No fear, no nervous, nothing of that. You follow the strategy and follow that without nothing psychology or something like that. It's the first it's the that this happened.
After 10 years, no more nerves.
Yeah. In the first years that you have a lot of things to fear. But yeah, the thing is that now you feel some nervous. Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes when your strategy is running, but you see the price is near to losing, you feel nervous. Yeah, because you in this moment do you need to take some decision to close with losses. The most important is follow your strategy correctly and close in this moment, no nervous.
Did you read like any books or maybe listen to podcasts or something like that? Or the psychology changed just from the time, from the experience?
It was so important to me read some books related to psychology of trading. But I guess the readings is so good to improve your psychology. The most important here is get your good strategy, solve it, your strategy, and follow with discipline. With that, the fear get lost with that.
What advice would you give to new traders that are just getting started?
That is so good, this way of living of trading. It's so nice and I recommend for all the person. But the thing is that this is not to all the people. There are people fear uncomfortable with that and the process is hurting. You lose money, you feel bad. Some people don't want to get the price for that. And I recommend if you really want to get the price for make profitable, doing that because it's the better thing to get in the life really for me. But my family is more important than this. The second most important thing is the trading. It get profitable. It's a great satisfaction for for me. I should to tell you that hard way with a lot of losings and hurtings, and the end of time is the better decision that do you get. If you pay the price for that, depends the person. But if you want to make profitable in the markets, the price is hard, but the satisfaction is so good.
Yeah, it's worth it. And did you have to make adjustments on your strategy since you have traded for 10 years? So market conditions are changing. Did you have to change your strategy because of that?
I was changing my strategy in the time because sometimes it's winning, but the losses are bigger. So I changed the strategy for getting the point. In the point now, my winnings so big and my losses are shortest. I obviously changed the strategy with the time.
And do you focus only on one instrument or you trade different things? What do you usually trade?
I have experience in S&P 500 and values on Forex. My strategy runs for all the markets. Runs better in Forex.
And do you have a favorite pair or instrument that you're using? I mean, trading?
Yeah, in general, I use CAD, GBP, GPI, and the main titles.
The major currencies. What are your plans and goals with trading and in general in life?
Really, I should to say that I don't know because it's so new for me. I begin to appreciate the good style of life. I live in a two plans house with my family. I don't travel a lot. Obviously, I want to make some luxury, but not is the most important to me. I guess the most important to make the trade is the manage your time and get the things that do you want to do. I am beginner with this process.
At the end of the time, it's always good to appreciate the things that we already have in life. Dream too big. We have to find the balance and what suits our personalities. People have like wrong picture of trading. They think that everyone who starts trading have to have Lambos and this luxury lifestyle, but that's not the truth. This is just mainly social media representation of trading.
I don't say that this falls in all because when you have good strategy and you are big trade with big numbers, this is the style of life. But I should to say that the most important of that is make your own process with own separate process with your own experience. This is the most important. Make your own process, your own hurting process, because not is easy.
How did you find the funded trader and how is your experience with us?
I have experience with other platforms or funding. I should to say that TFT is the better platform that I manage that. The communication is so good, the payments are correctly, the assistance is okay, the rulers are clear. Is the better platform that I know several platforms, but I should to say that TFT is the better.
Yeah, I'm happy to hear that. Any last words that you would like to share with us?
The trading not is for all the people. Not all the people is for the trading. All the people show to prove a little bit for now. If this word is for you, please pursue, continue, and don't fall in the process because the reward is so big.
You should have the passion and put in the work and not expect that things are going to happen quickly and easily. Thank you so much for your time and for sharing your experience with us. I wish you best of luck with everything and trading and hope to have a follow-up interview in the future to check how everything is going.
Okay, thank you. If you need something, I'm here available for us.
Thank you so much. To all of you watching, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and show us some love in the comments down below. Trade safe, and until next time.